Good morning, guys. It's our second day in Hana. We just had breakfast at an accommodation. Jeffrey made a really delicious avocado and mushroom omelette. And the reason why we're cooking is because we're not actually staying at the hotel. There's only one hotel in Hana because Hana is actually a very small town. So the hotel is called the Travasa Hotel and it costs about like $500 per night. So it's way too expensive for us, so we decided to stay at an Airbnb. And the woman who owns it actually lives in a ranch. So we're actually staying in a small cabin behind her ranch, and she's got like coconut trees everywhere, macadamia tree, banana trees, and papaya as well. She also has like 2 rescue horses in the field, which is pretty cool. But anyway, so we're actually making our way to the Pools of Ohe'o, also known as the 7 sacred pools. And after visiting the pools, we'll be heading to the Waimoku Falls, which is also around that region. We are here. So we're currently on the PPY trail. We decided to check out the waterfall first before going to the sacred pools, just because the sacred pool was actually closer to the information center. So we've just started our hike and there are heaps of steps up. Pretty tiring. Jeffrey with his GoPro. Check this out, guys. That's the famous banyan tree on this trail. Apparently a lot of people come here just to see this huge tree. It's really beautiful. It's the kind of thing where you have to be here to sort of like see how gorgeous it is. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Hey, so we just finished the waterfall hike, which is called PPY Trail. Where are we going to next?
We're gonna check out the 7 sacred pools right now and hopefully go for a really nice long dip. It's quite a hot day. It's quite sunny.
And I'm hungry, very hungry. I haven't had lunch. You know, I wanted to have barbecue chicken, but I don't think we can make it in time. But that's okay. That's okay.
Chicken can wait.
No! Chicken can't wait.